Hello, horsey. I love horses. Where is Rory? Hello, horsey. Do you know where Rory is? No? Ah, there you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Hello.
I'm here to go horse riding.
First, we have to do some work. We must clean the stable for the horse.
Okay, let's clean the stable for the horse.
Let's love sign. Horse. Horse. You sign. Horse. Good. Horse.
Hello, horse. Now, let's get to work. Good. Now to work. This is a bit smelly.
That's why we clean it.
Joe!
Now the stable is clean.
Now we can go horse riding.
Wait, the horse needs a bed.
My first delivery. Wait here.
Joe, that is not a bed for a horse.
Oh.
Yes, Joe, that is a bed for a horse.
I know.
Let's love sign. Bed. Bed. You sign. Bed. Good. Bed.
Now can we go horse riding?
No, not yet. The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh! Oh, I'm wet.
What's going on?
The horse is clean. Now can we go horse riding?
No, you have to change your clothes.
Let's love sign. Horse riding. Horse riding. You sign. Horse riding. Good. Horse riding.
I've changed my clothes. Now can we go horse riding?
No, we need a hat to go horse riding.
A hat. Delivery number 3. Wait. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. No.
The right hat?
No. No, yeah.
Woo.